Diwali, the festival of lights, Diwali that brings in positivity. But has this Diwali brought in good news for Indian industry? To talk on this topic with us, we have Director General of Maratha Chamber of Commerce and Industries and Agriculture, Prashant Girbanesar. So what would you say? Has this Diwali got good news for Indian industry?
Oh, indeed. This Diwali is lot better in terms of the economic activity in industry and services, because there is a pickup in the demand, there is a pickup in the production, and many more companies now are producing more than they used to produce pre-pandemic. So I would certainly say this Diwali is bringing cheer to the market.
And what kind of survey did MCCI carry out, the way you are saying that there is positivity and encouragement for the industry?
Yes, thank you. So there is some data behind what I'm saying. We have been conducting a survey of economic recovery on a monthly basis. Since April 2020, every month for the 19 months we have conducted this survey. October 21 survey says that the production levels are at 90% of what they were pre-pandemic. Now, there are 150 to 200 companies participating in this survey. Now, who are these companies? Large companies, medium size, small size, as well as micro companies. They are formal companies, they are informal companies. So it has a real mix of what Indian companies are or Indian economy is. So these 150 to 200 companies are saying that their production level is highest since April 2020. It is at 90% of the pre-pandemic level. So this is a good news. There is a bit left to reach that 100%, but we are very certain that in the next 3 to 4 months, we would also reach there.
Any positivity in the GST collection?
Oh yes, couple of days ago, yesterday the GST numbers were published for India. Today, this month, as in October 21, the GST collection was close to 1,30,000 crore. Now that GST collection is 24% more than last year's October collection. It is 36% more than October 2019 before pandemic. So it shows that formal activities are picking up even more, and there is even more formalization of economy happening, which is a good news, and it's a good progress as long as we also take care of the informal sector that's losing out to formal.
But sir, this survey has been conducted in western part of Maharashtra, particularly in Pune region. But is it true for whole of India in other markets as well?
So you're right. It may not exactly be the same for all of India, but it would broadly be the same for all of India. And why do I say that? Because the mix of companies participating in the survey includes large, medium, small, and micro companies. It has informal companies, it has formal companies. So it has a representative mix of a national economy in the region. And that's what we have chosen to conduct the survey. And hence, I would not be wrong in saying that broadly, it represents all of India.
So here you have survey from MCCI that says, and it has a good news for Indian industry, a record-breaking GST collection if compared with October 2019, that is 36% more as compared to 2019. With Cameron Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.